Diwali, which is also referred to as Deepavali, is an important festival in India and also celebrated around the world by mostly Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains. More than 800 million people celebrate this Diwali in various ways. Diwali is as important to Hindus as Christmas is to Christians. Welcome to the Facts World. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can never miss any updates. So, what is Diwali? The term Diwali or Deepavali literally means rows of clay lamps, Deepa. Indians light the outside of their homes or businesses to symbolize the victory of light over darkness or good over evil. This is why Diwali is also referred to as the Festival of Lights. According to many legends, Diwali festival is associated with the victory of Rama over Ravana. It is said that on this day Lord Rama reached Ayodhya along with Sita and Lakshmana. The people of Ayodhya welcomed Rama, Sita and Lakshmana by several decoration and illuminated the place with diyas, means light lamps. But it's not just about lights and legends. Diwali is a time to have fun with friends and family. People exchange gifts and sweets, enjoy delicious feasts, watch firework displays, and wear new clothes. It is a time to clean and decorate home too. It is the most famous, biggest, and brightest festival of India. Diwali takes place annually and lasts for 5 days, marking the start of the Hindu New Year. The exact dates change each year and are determined by the position of the moon, but it usually falls between October and November. Throughout the 5 days of Diwali, different types of religious prayer rituals or puja will take place. Hindus will offer puja to various lords or goddesses, signifying that particular day's dedication and celebration. To celebrate, Indians buy gold. Gold is considered to be auspicious, particularly in Hindu and Jain cultures, according to the World Gold Council. Indian consumers purchase large quantities of gold jewelry during Diwali, as it is a store of value and symbol of wealth and status. Diwali in England. The city of Leicester in the United Kingdom holds the largest Diwali celebrations outside of India. Every year, tens of thousands of people gather in the streets to enjoy vibrant shows of light, music, and dancing. Diwali food. Rich and savory dishes served during Diwali play a central role in the celebration. Families prepare and share food at home with guests who came to exchange gifts. Indian sweets are a popular item during Diwali. The total cost of firecrackers exploded in Diwali is estimated to be around $1 billion. If you have found anything useful till now, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Rangoli is a popular Diwali tradition. Beautiful patterns made using colorful powders and flowers. People draw rangoli on the floor by entrance of their homes to welcome the gods and bring good luck.